Welcome to Adobe Animate CC Animations. Now we are going to see how to create this revealing mask animation in Animate CC. Now I want to create a new document. The size doesn't matter. I select HD 1280 into 720 and I click create. A new document is created. I go to file menu and select import and import to stage. I want to select this photo and click open. Okay, the photo is loaded into the stage. Now I want to scale it down little bit. Hold shift key to proportionally scaling. Scale it down. Okay. Now I want to create a new layer. Click new layer button in the timeline. Now I want to zoom the work area. Control plus couple of times. And I want to zoom in one more time. Control plus. Okay. Now I want to draw a circle. Select oval tool in tools panel. You can select any fill color you want and I disable the stroke color. In middle of the photo, I want to draw a circle, a small circle. Okay. Now I want to extend the frames up to 45. I select 45th frame, right click on it and select insert frame. The frames extended. Again I select 45th frame of the top layer, right click on it. This time I choose insert keyframe. A new keyframe is created. In this situation I want to scale the circle. I select this free transform tool. I hold shift key again to professionally scaling and I scale the circle into big size. I want to zoom out the work area. Control minus to zoom out. Now I continue the scaling. Now you can see the circle is entirely cover the photo. You can see in the first frame the circle is very small. In the 45th frame we scale the circle to entirely cover the photo. Now I select any frame in the top layer. Right click on it and I select create shape twin. You can see a shape twin is created. You can see the animation, the circle gradually increasing and entirely cover the photo. Now I want to create a mask. Select the top layer, right click on it and select mask. You can see a mask is created. See the animation. Go to control, test movie in animate. You can see the animation. Now I want to stop the looping of the animation. Now I right click on it and click actions and write stop. Okay. You can see the action is created. Again I go to control, test movie in animate. The looping is stopped. Thank you for watching. I will meet you the next lesson.